Welcome back to Financify, your go-to channel for quick and easy financial tutorials. In today's video, I'll show you how to download and install the Western Union app on your smartphone. Let's get started. First, open the App Store or Play Store according to your device. Next, in the search bar at the top, type Western Union and hit search. Look for the official app with the Western Union logo. Make sure it's published by Western Union Holdings Inc. to avoid downloading the wrong app. Tap on the Install or Get button. If prompted, authenticate using your fingerprint, Face ID, or password. Once the download starts, wait for it to install. Once the installation is complete, tap Open to launch the app. Once the app is open, you can either log in with your existing Western Union credential or create a new account by following the on-screen instructions. And that's it. You have successfully downloaded and installed the Western Union app on your smartphone. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, subscribe to Financify, and hit the bell icon for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.